Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we shall discuss the remaining part of non-finite. We had discussed on that day regarding non-finite and up to simple infinitive. Today we shall discuss regarding disqualifying infinitive. When an infinitive is used to qualify a noun, an adjective, verb or sentence, then it is called qualifying infinitive. It is used in different ways. Number one, used to qualify a verb like an adverb. As for example, we eat to live. Used to qualify a verb like an adverb. Verb should be shown as an adverb. We eat to live. Then next, to qualify an adjective as an adverb. एडजेक्टिव को एडवर्ब की तरह क्वालिफाई किया जाता है. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे आर एंशियस टू लर्न. देन टू क्वालिफाई ए नाउन लाइक एन एडजेक्टिव, नाउन को एडजेक्टिव की तरह. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव नो हाउस टू लिव इन. देन टू क्वालिफाई एनी सेंटेंस, एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, I am not going to help you. Now we shall proceed to gerund. Gerund, as you know, it is like a noun having ing form. Now we shall learn about the usage of gerund. It is used in different ways. Used as the subject to a verb. It is used as subject to it plays the role of subject to a verb. As for example, walking is an exercise. Walking here plays the role of subject. Used as an object to a verb. Verb के object की तरह. He enjoys flying kites. Then used as an object to a preposition. Preposition के object के रूप में. He is fond of hunting. Used as complement to a verb. It also plays the role of complement. Seeing is believing. Now we shall proceed to participles. When two functions are performed by a single subject or one action is done just after the former, then present participle is used. As for example, he jumped up, first sentence. Next, attached to it, he ran away. We will show it in participle. Jumping up, he ran away. Ready? Now we have to see when two actions are done by a single subject. When two actions are done by a single subject and another action is done after the finishing of the first, then perfect participle is used. As for example, he did his job, he left the office. Two functions are there. He did his job, he left the office. So having done his job, he left the office. This is perfect participle. Then present participles and past participles are used like common adjectives. Present participle and past participles are used like common adjectives, and in such condition these modify the noun that comes after. As for example, a rolling stone gathers no moss. Then is used as predicatively. He seems worried. Here it modifies the subject. He seems worried means the condition. And seeing his face, one can come to know that he is worried. used absolutely with a noun or pronoun going before. As for example, the sun having risen, the birds began to fly. Thank you all. Thank you all of you. Stay home. Stay safe.